In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a custom 500 error page using HTML or a website builder. Have you ever encountered a 500 internal server error when browsing a website? It's an error that can often catch us off guard, and its standard page can sometimes leave users confused or even frustrated. But don't worry. By creating a custom error page, you can enhance user experience and even add a touch of creativity or brand identity to what could otherwise be a negative moment. So let's dive into how you can create your own 500 error page. Firstly, you'll need to either create or design your custom error page. You can achieve this by writing code using HTML, or alternatively, if you're using a website builder, leverage the tools provided to draft your page. Designing this page involves practicing a little creativity. Consider including a comforting message or an apology for the inconvenience. This is also a great place to add navigation links that guide users back to your homepage or other popular sections of your website to keep them engaged and reduce bounce rate. Once your page is ready, the next step is to upload it to your website. You will need to transfer your page to the root directory of your website, and you can do this using a file manager, which is typically found in your hosting services admin panel or through FTP, File Transfer Protocol, which is beneficial for handling files in bulk. If you choose FTP, tools like FileZilla offer a user-friendly interface to connect to your server. Either way, your custom page file should be named exactly as you intend to reference it in order to avoid any issues. Assuming you're using Hostinger as your hosting provider, the next thing you want to do is head over to the H panel. From there, navigate to Advanced and find the Error Pages option. The user interface will guide you on how to assign your freshly designed page to the 500 error code. Assigning means that the server knows exactly which custom page to display whenever a 500 error pops up on your website. This step is crucial because it establishes the link between the error and your creative page, ensuring users see exactly what you want them to. Once you've assigned your custom page to the 500 error, make sure you save the changes. It's easy to overlook, but saving ensures the settings are updated and will function as expected. Now it's time to test. Simulate a 500 error or wait until one naturally occurs to see your custom page in action. This will confirm that everything is set up correctly. And there you have it, a custom 500 error page that not only mitigates the confusion of encountering an error, but maintains an engaging experience for your users. Remember, always keep the page simple, branded, and user-friendly to maximize its effectiveness. Happy designing!